Here we are learning how to multiply and simplify radical expressions. The thing to keep in mind when we multiply radical expressions is we want to watch the index. Is the index the same or not? If it's the same, what we can do is we can kind of put them all under one radical. So this is the same, so this is essentially the same thing as 3 times the 7, all underneath the same indexed radical, equals the square root of 21. On the second example, let's mark these for you. A, B, C, and D. Same thing on B. I have the same index, so let's put them all underneath one radical. So the radical, or that's x plus 7 times x minus 7 underneath the same radical, and that's a difference of 2 squares. So some of you guys can see it fairly quickly, which is x squared minus 49. And that's as far as I can go. Some of you guys are thinking, wait a minute, that x is squared and that 49, that's a 7 times a 7, so maybe we can do some more. But remember, we can't do that. We have to look at this x squared minus 49 as all of one term. It's not two separate terms, it's one term. So I have to find something times itself that equals that entire term. So the square root of x squared minus 49, that's as far as I can go. Example C, I have cube roots. Now do you think there's any difference here? Both are cube roots. No, there's no difference. Let's combine them all underneath one cubed root. And then you just have to figure out what 7 times 9 is. 7 times 9, 63, 64, 63. And the last one down here, 8. Oh, 8, I got an index of 8. Yikes. But the good thing is it doesn't matter because there are 8s on both sides. So if I stick them all underneath the same radical, then just multiply what I can do, like terms. So this equals the 8th root of 80x to the 5th. And that's kind of where I'm at on all these problems right there. Multiplying radical expressions with the same index.